Hello and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all things product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of energy chews with Bonk Breaker Energy Chews with electrolytes in orange mango guava flavor. These energy chews are the perfect fuel for runners, providing a quick source of energy to keep you going during your workouts or outdoor activities. Each pack contains 2 servings, with 80 calories per serving. The Bonk Breaker Energy Chews are made with real, gluten-free ingredients, ensuring high-quality fuel for your body. The chews come in convenient individual packs, making them easy to carry and consume on the go. With added electrolytes, these chews help maintain hydration during strenuous activities and prevent muscle cramps. The orange mango guava flavor offers a delicious burst of fruity taste, perfect for satisfying your sweet tooth while boosting your energy levels. The chews have a chewy texture that's easy to consume without getting stuck in your teeth, making them a hassle-free option for quick energy refueling. It's recommended to fuel with these energy chews every 30 to 45 minutes during exercise or when you feel the need for a quick energy boost. The chews are ideal for runners, cyclists, hikers, or anyone looking for a convenient and tasty way to power through their workouts. Bonk Breaker Energy Chews with electrolytes in orange mango guava flavor is a top pick for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts seeking a reliable source of energy on the go. Whether you're hitting the trails or crushing your workout, these chews are sure to keep you fueled and energized. That's a wrap for today's product review on Bonk Breaker Energy Chews with electrolytes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.